The car got locked on its own, and I took my phone inside. Can you see the phone? I took my phone inside and... Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And right now it is 5:20 during the day, and I slept for 5 hours now, and it is still dark out. As I told you guys that we will go by 5:30. We can't go by 5 because my mother will take so much of time. The father was like, we're gonna leave at 5, but we didn't. I just woke up right now and I'm not feeling that sleepy because I slept for 5 hours and I've slept for like 4.5 hours, so not much. Okay, so now I'm like taking a bath. My eyes are still not opening, like they're closing a bit, and I'm feeling cold right now. Like it's actually cold. I'm gonna wear my hoodie and go because it's chilly. Oh god. Now I'm gonna wear my hood thingy because the car is also gonna be cold. Okay, so right now our room will be cleaned maybe, or the servants will do it behind us. And now all of this is in a mess. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow on Saturday and clean this. Yeah, we're gonna come back on Saturday evening. We're not staying for more than Saturday. Sad that we're gonna stay for only a day, one night. These are my bags. This one I will, like, this is my casual bag. This is my tote bag. Okay, so I took a bath and everything. Now it is 6 o'clock and we still have not left. Almost 6, like it's 5:55. So now I'm gonna watch some YouTube, I think, and then we're gonna go. Wow, guys, look at the sunrise. Wow. Look at this. It's beautiful. Wow. I can see people walking also. So they wake up at 5:45 and come to walk. Oh my gosh, people are so active. Now the sky has 3 colors, orange, pink and blue. I feel proud today because none of my friends would have been woken up by now. I'm kind of happy. Okay, so now we're leaving and let's go. This is all our luggage. This also. So now we are going. I'm carrying this suitcase. My sister's carrying that suitcase and that bag. My mother's carrying suitcase, bag, a basket. First, what happened was that we were blocking the lift so that stuff could go in. Then the stuff went, all of it went in. Then it went on the 14th floor because we let the lift by mistake. Then me and my father went to the 14th floor. Then 14th it went to 24th because my mother took it. And then we came back down. So it was weird. Put on my jacket which I was showing you guys because I was feeling cold. Right. Edit my video, and I wore this cap because I'm feeling cold now and the wind is too cold. my videos also like not getting uploaded. There's no network. It'll get uploaded like when I reach the God. So we are here. Okay guys, so we reached here. I'm going to give you the tour a bit later. Right now I'm not, see my eyes, I don't know, so I'm not doing that good because I didn't sleep that well. So right now I'm going to just rest and then we're going to go to the puja. I'll show you the house in the evening or in the afternoon. The vlog has to be uploaded right now. It hasn't been. Okay guys, so as you saw, I am here and the entire structure is getting broken. See, all of this is there. First this used to be a beautiful garden, but now there's all construction happening. There are these metal rods, then the window's frame has come off. I don't know what all is there. And there are monkeys which come from there, and there's a very giant fruit which once fell and it almost hit my brother's head. So we had a breakfast. Now we're gonna go to the puja, but first I'm going to show you the cars. So this car is mine, this is my father's car, this one is my mama's car, this one is my mama's car. Wait, I'll show you more. This is something. This one is also my mama's car. Okay, so my mama bought a new car, the Kia Seltos. It has a sunroof. Wow, it's pretty cool. It has, wow. Wait, I wanna see this part. It has good storage also. What does this have? Okay, this is normal like the other cars, but it's pretty cool, guys. So here are all the plants and everything. Look at these bricks. There's so many bricks. Oh my gosh, at least 200 to 300 at least. And I think this is the cement machine which is here. First it was so clean and it used to be so beautiful. Now it's getting constructed and it's gonna get even more better. Wow. I'll show you the inner part in some time, but look at the outer part. The cupboards have come out, all of them. This is the exercise machine. These are all the plants. This is the rocking chair my uncle used to use. Basically my Nana ji. So it's his rocking chair. It's pretty old. I feel a bit scared from this because it's kind of breaking. Anyways, so these are such old chairs. Now you saw how old my Nani's house is. And look at all of this. It's so old. I'll show you this. So can you see these walls out here? They are so old. It's like 45 to 50 years old. Now it's getting renovated, so it's getting better. Look at the house. It's so big. Told ya. Here the renovation work is happening. So that where the renovation work is happening used to be the veranda. So all these windows, doors, and look at this. See, all the renovation work is happening. Before, this used to be just normal. My mama's office used to be there. Now there's rooms coming out. So look at it. It's so messed up, but I love the smell of sand, the wet sand. It's so good. That's the kitchen, by the way. I'll show you the inner part in some time. right now we have to go, so I can't show you the inner house, but I kind of showed you most of it. There's some more left, and look at the gate, it's so big. And yeah, so I came inside one of the rooms and I got to know that my cousin brother got a new iPad. I'll show you guys, it's really cool. Now my videos will start getting sponsored, I'm gonna tell you guys naturally, okay? So look at this, it's so cool. The charger has changed or what? Yeah, it has changed. It's an Apple iPad, right? Yeah, it is Apple. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's like a computer. Look at it. The puja's at 11:30, so I have to get ready, like wash my face and everything. I don't know the password, but look at it, guys, it's so cool. Wow. It's like an laptop and an iPad both. How cool is that, guys? And they've changed Apple's pin also. Oh my gosh. And I'll show you how old this is. Such a giant TV, right? And this house is so old. These old curtains, this old mirror, everything right now is getting fixed. Oh, what is this? Oh, so cute. This is my nanny's locker where she keeps all her jewelry and everything. Look at it, so old. So my house can be called ancient actually. Medieval period house maybe. No, it's not medieval. It's modern day house, but still it's old. I'll try to give you guys the entire tour after I come back, but I showed you some. And the room is like this. She has a machine on which she exercises, and that is the old AC. Look at it. And how old the bed is. And the TV is not so old, this is old. Actually, my elder brother is going to Russia tonight, so we're packing. There used to be a house there of my cousins, and now it has been broken because it's sold off. It looks so sad. So my mama's office has shifted to this veranda. There's a big TV. He has his fridge here, the deep freezer, and he also got a kitchen maid. Wow. Wait, suitcase. There's so much of stuff in the kitchen also. But he got a new kitchen maid up here. This is looking so cool. Wow. Okay, so now we're leaving for the puja of the factory. Let's go. Gosh. Okay guys, so I'm at the factory. So everything is getting made. That's the lift area. This is the factory area. Look at it. Wow. It's pretty big. Look at this. So it is almost joining with the other factory. Like there. I'll show you guys. So this has joined with the other one. Both of them are joining together and getting made into a very big one now. Wow. Aligarh is basically a town which is very crowded, very noisy. So you might be hearing so much. So my brother left for Russia and we came from the puja. Now I'm going to relax a bit and I might not show you guys the house. Actually, I don't know. I need to buy new Crocs and there's a Crocs showroom just right there. So I can go there and buy Crocs. Okay guys, bad news that I know the camera quality has changed for you because I'm using my father's phone. Actually, I'll tell you what happened. So I was in this car and I really like riding cars, so I just went inside it and I was acting that I'm riding a car. Then I didn't move the handle or anything, but I don't know how the car got locked on its own and I took my phone inside. Can you see the phone? I took my phone inside and it is stuck in there. The car actually got locked, the keys are in. So now we'll have to call the showroom guys. Only then I will be able to get the car opened. And then if it does not get opened by tonight, then the vlog tomorrow will come very late, okay? Warning you. And yeah, so tomorrow we are leaving. So right now I am gonna show you guys the entire house, whichever condition it is in. So tomorrow we leave in the evening, so I won't get time to show you. Let's start. This is the entrance, that's the guard room, and here we go. Here as we walk there are bricks and those, what do you call it, the servant quarter which was there. There is this design on the wall, then a basketball hoop, the AC. The house looks pretty cool. Look at it. It's pretty big and ancient. So these are all the cars. We get the garage area here, and we got all of this. We got metal rod. This is actually the garden. So that's the inverter. Then we got metal rods, bricks, cement, and what not. We got beautiful plants like hibiscus. Wow. Wow guys, look at the house. Okay, so as we move on, let's go. We have ancient windows and everything like this. And then we enter the house with this small veranda where there are chairs to sit, some small little plants, old switches, and rocking chair. Now we come to the door, we open it, and we have a hall. The drawing room area, look at it. As we move, this is the entrance. This is my aunt's room. Here it is. This is how it looks. Then we got a fish tank with the beautiful fishies. Hi fishies! Hi little one. Hi little one. Ah, oh my gosh, what happened? Once all the water from the fish tank came out and the fish almost died. It was like 2 AM at night. Thankfully my brother was awake. And this is the ancient door which I'm talking about. So we have one net door for mosquitoes and one door. So we total have 2 doors. Beautiful hanging on it, on that sliding door of the drawing room. See, 1 net door and 1 door. And, as we come, we have a lot of stuff the sewing machine and everything. Then we have the staircase out there, the sofas, the table and everything, the dining table, the fridge. This is actually the mandir, but they emptied it out. It was getting renovated, so now it's empty. Okay, this is the oldest TV on earth. Now they're gonna get everything changed. The dining table, that's the other fridge. This is the new fridge. First there used to be a very bad one. Oh my gosh, it has so much of space. This is the water tank thing which keeps the water cool. We got shelves, Nutella, no that's not Nutella. Microwave, here we have the griller, that's the toaster, some bananas, and this is the most ancient kitchen in history. So here all the dishes get washed. These are all the dishes. This is the pantry area. Look at it. This is the gas area with a lot of stuff. See, that's the oldest chimney, and that's the weird sink. Guys, as I told you guys something. So this area is getting renovated. It's all broken. So that used to be my mama's office. Now I can't show you that area, but just look at it. It's so bad. It's in such a bad condition. We have a wooden frame, an art out here, like that, a chandelier, then a sink to wash our hands. This was designed very old and designed very weirdly. A sink in the drawing room. This is the drawing room, the dining table and the sofas out there. As we come from the lobby area, we encounter this mandir. So that this mandir, now this used to be a normal room with green weird walls. Now this is a mandir because that mandir is shifted. So God and so many gods. See, the cupboards are so old. This is so old. Thankfully everything is getting renovated. The bed, oh my gosh. The guest room, which is this. So after we enter the drawing room, we enter the guest room. So we have the giant TV as I showed you. There are mirrors. My sister made this lamp. My cousin's sister, there's a sofa, the entire bed. Wow, so good. Old, but it's clean also. Like sometimes old houses are dirty, but this house is clean. Okay, so that is the fan, and see how high the ceiling is. So now I'll show you the entire drawing room. Look at it with a brief view. That's the entrance. And now we're gonna go up this staircase, the marble staircase with brown railings. Wow. And there's a spot since I don't know how many years it's been lying here. I don't know what's in there. And a very big painting. Look at it. So we entered the first floor from the stairs. So they go all the way from there. And now we have my mama's room. Guys, I can't go in because he's sleeping. But outside, you have seen how the rooms are, but these ones are better. So this is the shoe rack outside the room. Paintings, a fridge, another fridge, then shoe rack, then this railing which is very wobbly. I don't know if it's wobbly or not. Guys, look at the flooring. It's so old. Oh my gosh, it's kind of dirt. It doesn't look good. And it is old. This one's weird. This one's weird. But first we're gonna go into this room. So this is the kids' room. And this is Arushi Didi. So that's a collage there. The AC is there. And the door is so big. Then there are switchboards. That wooden panel. And a mini chair. With the mini bed. With a shelf for books and trophies and art and craft. Then there's a secret thing behind this mirror. You will never ever guess. You would never ever guess that there's something behind the mirror, but yes, there is a bookshelf. Then there are drawers here. It's mostly made up of wood. See the cupboard again. Then that's the outside area. So these are the windows. I can look down from here and to that window. I can't show you what's behind this door because before this house used to have the factory also. So there are extra rooms and everything which are not in good condition, so that there's no point going there. But you saw most of the house. I'll show you more. To the other side of the house. This was the first side. This is the other side where my big mama lives. So his room is here. My sister's sleeping. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, so this is the room. Look at it. It's better than the other rooms. Shh. My sister is sleeping, and we have the bed. Oh my gosh, let's leave. Look at it. And we have the balcony. I'll show you. So we have to, oh my gosh, we have to unlock it. Guys, I can't unlock it, but I'll show you from outside. This is the balcony where we wash all our clothes. We could see the other house from our balcony, but now that house is destroyed, so what will you see? So this is the washing machine here. I can't show you guys because it's locked. Look at it. This is the veranda where there is, after we come back from this lobby area, we have the veranda where there's the office and the chair, a lot of stuff. We have photo frames, gifts. Oh my gosh, the deep freezer, the fridge, then the paintings my cousin sister painted, bean bags, chairs, what not. Old toys also. So after the fridge and everything, the veranda, the cupboards and everything. First there used to be cupboards here, but now they aren't. We enter the kitchen. So I will show you the kitchen. So in the kitchen it is well furnished. I don't know where the lights are. They aren't switching on. No, they aren't. So I'll show you. This is the sink area. This is the beautiful tap. And this is this is a new kitchen. These are the walls, the plates and everything. Oh, what's this? Oh, the little thing which we also have in our house, the trolley thing. Then we have crap here. No, it's not crap, it's kitchen stuff. So look at it, we have so much of kitchen stuff. Here, I think this used to be a store before. Now this has converted into a kitchen with the wooden flooring, which I love. And the chimney is small. It's basically, I was just about to fall because of this. So that's the microwave and all of this. Look at it. So after that we come here to this room. So this room is my brother's room. So it's my other cousin brother's room. So this is the comfy chair which I sit on. This is all the stuff, the big TV, the huge speakers which are really loud, the bed, this, photos, the closet, haunted closet, and yeah. Okay, so now I showed you almost the entire house. I showed you the balcony. We'll go to the terrace tomorrow. So watch tomorrow's vlog to get to know the terrace. And guys, that's it. There's nothing more to show you. Well, it's pretty big and I'll show you the outer part a bit better tomorrow. And you saw the interiors, like roughly you saw them. So they're very old and dusty, rusty. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys. My mama's chair is so comfy. He works here. There's a lot of stuff. See, because they're shifting. Like, they're not shifting, they're getting this house renovated. Oh, there's CCTV cameras all over. There's CCTV cameras in his factory, I think. Yeah, it's his factory only. Look at it. CCTV. And we're looking. It's okay. how the car got opened. So guys, don't try this. Don't try to pickpocket someone's car. But I'm not going to tell you the entire thing. Otherwise, if some people are watching this and who want to pickpocket, they will be able to. So I'm going to tell you. So we took off the rubber of this car, and then we put a hanger inside it and pulled the wire. So after we pulled the wire, it opened. Look at it. So finally the car is open. We didn't have to call the the car person. And now I will be able to post the vlog on time. Right now me and my cousins are playing Pictureka. So now I got some time. So my phone's battery just got conked off. So I have got some time. Why not enjoy it with my cousins? So let's play Pictureka. Fun. Okay, let's go. And there's Shubh Labh written on the entrance for God to enter. And look at this. The entrance has these flowers. The entrance is pretty old. And this picture, guess how old this is? I don't know. Okay, so for dinner, I am having pasta, torai ki sabzi, and roti. So right now I have to go charge my phone, and it's so messed up, the house and everything. So I'll charge my phone. Today's vlog will be very long because I shooted a lot because I was really excited, and I still am. My cousin sister is doing her watching her show. Then my mommy's making food. Like she's gone up. The cook is making food. It's really slippery. And guys, can you see the thing up there? I know what's that. I don't know. My pasta is here. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It has cheese sprinkled on it. Oh my gosh. Let's find out how it tastes. Very good. Hey guys, so now I am done with the entire day. Now I'm gonna go sleep or play some games with my family. Now I want some family time. So I showed you what I did in the entire day, and this vlog is gonna be so long. But guys, I came to my nanny's house. I got so excited that I had to show you all the things, like everything, because I'm going on Monday, I think. Oh, can you see this? So these light bulbs light up at night and look so pretty. And people have started to burst patakas during the before Diwali only. It's not even 25th of October. The sun is so pretty, but I can't see the stars due to the pollution. So I'm gonna finish my dinner, play with my family, sleep and everything. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Stay safe, stay home. Keep watching my videos, like, share, comment, subscribe for all of this fun content and the hard work I do. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow with the housewarming puja, which is going to be much more fun, better and exciting because we're going to see my mommy's house tomorrow. It's somewhere in Green Park in this society in Aligarh. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye. Bye.